Wait, I can see that being a sneaky bag, bro.
No.
No?
Actually, it depends. You can catch me on a day where it's a little
A nice bag day?
Lantern's broken. That dude just started changing. Typical Kone quality. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Smells like sweat. But then again, it is an athletic facility. I really hope that guy's done changing his pants when I get down here. Out of precaution, I am not gonna aim out the door. This is the Carver PE Center place. These buttons have seen better days. Okay, bricklayer. That will be it for that.
Why are you doing it?